Here we go. Habsfan18's box of Contenders. Let's see if Juan picked you the right box. I wonder if it's the best one. All right. So good luck, sir. We've got a classic signatures. Adam Oates. Adam Oates. Base. We've got a Cup Contenders number to 499 of Teemu Selanne. Teemu Selanne. All right, Juan, this is going to have a big hit in there, right?
Yep. Oh, howdy.
We've got number to 600, rookie of Freddie Hamilton. Freddie Hamilton rookie. We've got a rookie autograph of Frank Corrado. Frank Corrado. We've got a Vezina Contenders of Pekka Rinne. We've got a rookie ticket autograph of Matt Irwin.
Second one for the 8-way.
We've got a rookie number to 600 of Kevin Miller. Kevin Miller. We have a Contenders Legacies, Olaf Kolzig. Olaf Kolzig. We've got a rookie ticket autograph of Victor Foss. Victor Foss. The base. The base. Okay, there you go. You saved yourself. And we've got a 6-way autograph. Teemu Selanne, Joe Sakic, Ray Bourque, and Alex Ovechkin, Martin St. Louis, and Shea Weber.